Want to back up your iMessages and free up iPhone storage? In this video, we'll show you 3 easy ways to save iMessages to an external hard drive. Let's get started. Way 1. Transfer iMessages to external hard drive with Assistant for iOS. Mobikin Assistant for iOS is a great tool to transfer iMessages to external hard drive. It is an efficient and reliable iPhone backup and data transfer software that allows you to manage iOS data easily. Step 1. Connect devices. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone and external hard drive to the computer. Open Mobikin Assistant for iOS and ensure your iPhone is recognized. Step 2. Select Messages. Click Messages to preview conversations and select the ones to back up. Step 3. Export to external drive. Click Export and choose your external hard drive as the destination. Way 2. Export iMessage to external hard drive with iCloud. On your iPhone, enable Messages in iCloud settings. On your computer, sign in to iCloud.com. Go to Account Settings, Recover Files. Select iMessage files and click Recover to save them. Way 3. Transfer iMessages to external hard drive using email. Open iMessages, select and copy the conversation, paste it into an email, send it to yourself, and open it on your computer. Save the message to your external hard drive in your preferred format. Way 4. Save iMessages to external hard drive via screenshot. Take a screenshot of the conversation, connect your external drive via Lightning to USB adapter. In Photos, tap Share Save to Files, select the drive, and tap Save.